I'm here.
Do you remember the rain? Yeah. I remember the mice on the block. I remember the mice cause of pain. Niggas pussy can't get off my cock. What the fuck you gon' do? Like, with my kids, we up with a flop. Yeah, bitch say you fuck with an ox. Execution, this shit gotta stop. Fuck these niggas be acting like hoes. New op tryna act like my bros. This is bitch, I'm feeling like Clyde. New op in the air just died. But these niggas is pussy, don't put in work. Fucking nigga, he dead in the dirt. He never stop, but you feel like dirt. Now if the bitch had to put in some work. Like, gang, like what? You got opposites, you know they ain't feeling me. Call a bro in the back of the truck, in the style, you know he got hella artillery. Oh my God, like what happened to who? Bitch, I'm flying, got hit with the boot. He talk too much, how to shoot at his tooth. Niggas pussy, they lose me. How the fuck you gon' talk, you a loose leaf? But these niggas don't do shit. Niggas talk on the net, they a bitch. Niggas talk on the net, fuck your man. He dead, he ain't come back, damn. Pull up on me, he can. Niggas say I'm the man with the plan. Oh, that's some niggas for life. Bitch, I ran, he got put with the knife. What he did when we up with him, boom. Bitch, I ran, he got shot in the room. We got guns, we got glass, we got tools. I'm a demon, don't play by the rules. Niggas goofy and bitches, they lose me. Now my bro, he got shot with the tools.
Sip for the lean, got a shit in my cup. Got a bad bitch and she wanna come fuck. Gets in the money, I'm running it up. Just speak on my data and I'm gunning it up. Me and my niggas be fucking it up. Remember the nights I was stuck in the mud. She wanna fuck, but I don't give a fuck. I get to the ditch and I'm running it up. I keep me a 6 and a 7 my lap. Yeah, nigga, I keep me a strap. You wanna diss in my game, my people, that nigga, they run on a nigga a pack. Fuck on this bitch, now that bitch is attached. Feeling like Uzi, I'll give me some racks. High as a kite, cause I'm smoke some dash. That nigga talk raw, I'ma go get a strap. Like, niggas, they really don't want it. I seen that nigga, I'm gunning. That little bitch, you know, but fuck it, could've come to the dome and that nigga be ducking. Like what? Get up with me. Niggas, they really can't fuck with me. Let's pop and that shit really stuck with me. Thick bitch and you know she gon' suck on me. Yeah. Gra.